Good evening friends, I am Abhijit and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel AceFin. Today we will be discussing about how Nifty and Banknifty have performed today, that is 15th of February Tuesday, and how Nifty and Banknifty can perform tomorrow 16th of February Wednesday. Before we go to Nifty and Banknifty, let's look at the global cues. If we talk about the European indices, Germany, France and UK all are trading in green. China and US, uh, when we talk about China, we can see that China was trading in green in the last trading session. Talking about the US closed flat last trading session, but I'm pretty sure that the US futures are trading in green, and we will see that US markets will also turn green, and all these indices are turning green after a deep red because of the good news which has come from Russia Ukraine, that Russia is kind of taking their troops back from the Ukrainian border. As of now, this is creating a positive sentiment in the globe. When we talk about FIA and DIA data, FIAs were net sellers. They have sold more than 2,298 crores, and DIAs were net buyers, which is like approximately two times of what FIAs have sold. So this is a good news. 4,411 crores. So DIA becomes net buyers and FIAs have net sellers, but DIA's amount of buying is 2x of what FIAs has sold. So this is a really good news, and we can see today a very big green candle has formed on the 1 day daily chart of Nifty. So whatever the gap which was present yesterday, it has been filled by this green candle, and this green candle shows a huge momentum which has come today, and it might continue tomorrow as well. Talking about the 15-minute chart to see the levels and the price action, so let me tell you what happened yesterday. A day before yesterday, there was a news that Ukraine might get attacked by Russia. So there was a huge gap down of more than 300 points, and then there was a further downfall, and we went up to the level of 16,800. From there, today we opened gap up because of the good global cues, and in the initial half an hour to 1 hour, so there was kind of a volatility, but from the yesterday's closing level, which was a support given to you, from there Nifty took a good support and came up to the level of yesterday's high, which was 17,050 to 60 range, and it was also the resistance level which was given to you. So here Nifty kind of traded for approximately 30 to 40 minutes, and from there, when this level was crossed, Nifty didn't look back. It filled the entire gap which was here in single day. So as of now, Nifty has closed at 17,352. So we need to look for this level. If we cross this level 17,370, which will be the first resistance, if this is crossed even by a gap up, then the first resistance would be at 17,400, second would be at 17,500, and the third would be at 17,600. So these are the three resistances level. If we open gap up, if we open gap down, the first support would be at 17,250 to 260. If this is broken, then we are coming at 17,120 to 130, and further downfall can lead up to 17,050 to 60. Talking about the levels on option chain, we are at 17,350, and yesterday call writers were so active that they did writing on the ITM strike price and the ATM strike price. As you can see today, all these call writers have closed their positions. They have to run for a cover, and that's what has happened today. A major short covering has come up, and these call writers have closed their positions in negative. Now talking about the put writers are active at 17,000. As of now, I can see only good amount of call writers is 17,200 and 17,300 is kind of getting developed as of now, but huge call writing and put writing was seen at 17,000 and 17,200. Talking about the call writing levels, even say at 17,500, some of the people have closed their positions. So this is a good sign, as we can see, major call writing zone is getting weaker, so we can expect a bull market in coming few days. So 17,500 is still gonna act as a psychological hurdle for Nifty. If this is crossed, then 17,600 and next level at 17,700. So 17,700 is the resistance level, maximum resistance for this week's. As we know, after 2 days we are having expiry, so of course premiums will be decayed. So keep your positions light if you are on the buying side of the options. If you are on the selling, you can sell the OTM strike price to take the advantage. Talking about the Bank Nifty has not filled the gap as of now completely, as Nifty has already done, but Bank Nifty was up by 3.42%. However, Nifty was up by 3.03% in the today's session. If we go to the 15 minutes chart to understand the price action, in the previous day session, we opened gap down, and from there we saw a huge fall, and it came at the level of 36,800, and from 36,800 it again retested this level, and from there it took a support. The first resistance for today was 37,380 to 400, and which was kind of respected by this Bank Nifty. And from there, when this is broken, then of course Bank Nifty has to cover up, and then a short covering came and closed at 38,170. As of now, we can still see there is a gap up to 38,500, which will going to be first resistance for tomorrow. If this is crossed, then next would be at 38,700 to 38,750, and the third resistance would be at 38,950 to 39,000. If we talk about the gap down scenario, which is highly unlikely, either we will open gap up or flat. If we come lower, then the first support would be at 37,800 to 850, second would be at 37,600 to 650, and the third would be at 37,380 to 37,400. So these are the levels for tomorrow. Let's validate it on the option chain. We are at 38,200 at the money. If we talk about the call writers have closed their positions at 37,000 level and 37,500 level, and a good amount of put writing is happening at 38,000 as well as 37,500. So these are the levels to watch out for. If we talk about the call writing, huge call writing zone is at 38,500 and 39,000. So these are the levels wherein we need to see who goes gonna win. But as of now, it seems like bulls are back in power, and we can expect this momentum to continue in the next trading sessions. That's all for today's video, friend. If you like the video, please like and share it with your friends. If you want live market updates and stock recommendations, do follow my Telegram channel. Link will be given in the description below. Thank you.